Hello everyone, in this video I am going to show you how to change Gmail password in Android phone. Okay, let's get started. First of all, you go to your Gmail apps, tap on Gmail. Next, you tap on your profile icon. After that, tap on your manage your Google account. Next, tap on personal info. Scroll down little bit. You can see here password. Tap on this. Use your screen lock. You can see that two options. Your new password. After that, you confirm new password. Next, tap on change password. Hopefully, this process your problem solved successfully. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel.